Alrighty, so today I'm going to show you how to customize or edit your invoice templates within Help Desk. So if I click into Settings, and I go under Customize, and I click into Templates, I can see the different templates that I'm able to modify within Help Desk, but for this example, I'm going to go ahead and select the Invoice PDF. So this is what my Invoice PDF looks like by default, but I want to go ahead and add some additional information here. So to the right-hand side, we can see all the valid keywords that we have that we're able to add to this Invoice PDF, and we can show our customer additional information. Okay, so I'm just going to add some more company information so my customers can contact me. So I'm going to go ahead and add a fax number. So I'm just going to navigate to my right-hand side here, and I'm going to add my company fax. Okay, so that was easy. I just click into the section that I want to add the information, click on the right-hand side, the actual keyword, and it'll just insert that information for me. Now you can actually type this out as well, but it's easier to just go ahead and use the keywords on the right-hand side. So I'm going to go ahead and save it, and then we can view my updated template. So if I click View Sample, I can now see the information that I have here. I've added a fax number for my company. So if a customer needs to reach out to me, they can fax me or email me or anything like that. And let's say that I want to add additional information from my customer, from my job. So I have some custom fields on my job, and I want to be able to add that information to my Invoice PDF. So just to show you, on the actual job, I have this custom field called door code. So I have two options of how I can add this custom field onto my Invoice PDF. So number one would be the simplest way. I can go ahead and I can add my custom field section from my jobs onto my invoice. Now this will carry on all of your job custom fields onto your invoice template. Now if I wanted to just do a simple one at a time custom field added to my invoice PDF, I could actually type it out. So you do want to type this out letter for letter, exactly how it's shown on the actual custom field. And then before the custom field name, you will add this information, underscore, capital CF, underscore, and then I'm going to type out my custom field name. So my custom field name was door code. Now anywhere there's a space, you want to add a underscore as well. Okay, so this is how it needs to look. I've got my underscore CF underscore before the actual name, and then if there's any spaces, I have the underscore in between, and then at the end, you want to close it by adding the underscore as well. Now this will allow for me to just simply add this one custom field to my invoice PDF instead of having all of the custom fields that I've created. The ticket custom fields word above will actually add all of your custom fields. So just keep that in mind when adding custom fields to any other templates. And I can go ahead and save that. So now it'll actually update my template here, and it'll show you, here's the door code. This is as if I was adding all of the custom fields here. And then this is the simple, just one custom field at a time. One thing to keep in mind, you do want to put your labeling before the custom field here because it will not automatically do that for you. So before the CF underscore door code here, I would just put in the name door code so it'll know on the PDF what it will actually be. Now if we look at the bottom here, we've got two views. We've got the design view, which we're in right now, and we have the HTML view. If you're familiar with HTML, you can come into the HTML and modify things through here, but it's easiest to just go ahead and do the design view and add your keywords here or simply type in additional information here. If I want to write any additional message, I can simply type here and save it, and that'll actually add that message in there for me. Now if I view my updated template, I've got my thank you added there as well. So those are just a few steps to simply modify your template here and update it with any additional information that you may need.